Hello dear student, I welcome you all in highway engineering subject and the subject code is 1615504. Today we are going to see unit number 6, that is hill roads. In that this is lecture number 4. Myself Daniel Swami, I am lecturer of Civil Department, James Polytechnic College, Aurangabad, Bihar. Let us discuss about the content of the lecture. Today we will study about hill road. In hill roads we will study about types of classification of hill roads, maintenance problem in hill roads. Let us discuss about the type classification of hill roads and the maintenance problem in hill road. We will discuss in detail. First of all, we will see type of classification of hill roads. According to the type, we will classify the hill roads. Let us see types of hill road. In types of hill road, the road constructed in an area having 25% or more than cross slopes is called as hill slope or घाट रोड. घाट रोड हिंदी में बोला जाता है और हिल रोड इंग्लिश में बोला जाता है. कहाँ? जिसमें 25% मोर देन 25% ऑफ क्रॉस स्लोप जहाँ पाया जाता है उसको हम लोग हिल रोड बोलते हैं या घाट रोड बोलते हैं. 12 types of hill roads are described below. You can see here are the 5 things. That is, hill road is classified as national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road and village road. As you know, this is the classification of road. But the type of hill road is classified according to their classification. Let us see. Hill road can be classified as motor road, bridle roads, village path. Sorry, it is not roads, it is road. Okay. So when I will teach, you clearly watch this video so that you can see, you can identify the mistakes and you can correct the mistakes. Okay. So first is motor road, and then is bridle road, then is village path. Let us discuss about this 3 topic in detail for clear understanding. If you understand these 3 types of road, you can understand which type of hill road will be constructed. Okay. First one is motor road. Motor road. In hilly region, motor road are the main communication system. These roads are suitable for all types of traffic. Hence, this road can be used by all sorts of traffic. This road can have one or more lane width. That is motor road. मोटर रोड जो होता है वो मतलब मेन होता है कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम के लिए, क्योंकि हिली रीजन में ये मोटर रोड जो है मेन काम करता है, क्योंकि उसमें 1 से 2 लेन हो सकता है और ये मोटर रोड में क्या कहते हैं कि मतलब कोई सा भी मतलब इस पर ट्रैफिक रन कर सकता है. ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ ट्रैफिक कैन रन ऑन दिस motor road, and so it is very important to communicate in hilly region. Okay, you understood? Then is bridle paths or bridle road. Bridle paths are the main road of pedestrian traffic, and these paths are used by pedestrian or and mule traffic. Bridle path serves as feeder road to a motor road. Generally, they are 2 to 3 meter in length and 1 in 8 to 1 in 10 in slope. If these roads are used by jeep, the width is kept between 2.45 meter to 3.65 meter. ये जो ब्रिडल पाथ है एक क्या करता है कि मतलब it is used to feed for the motor road, because it will be connected to the motor road, and this road also helps in the communicating with hilly regions area, and it is the major reason behind this road is it is called as feeder road to the motor road, and generally the size of the length of this road will be 2 to 3 meters, and its slope will be 1 in 8 or 2 1 in 10. And if suppose if the jeep is going through that path, the width of that path will be 2.45 meter to 3.65 meter. Okay. So next is village path. The village path act as a connector between the villages and other important area in hilly region. That means that village path is nothing but it is also an important road which connects the villages as well as the important area in hilly roads, that is village path. There are usually 1 meter to 1.2 meter width and may having a slope of more than 45 degree angles. दैट मीन्स दैट जो विलेज रोड होता है उसमें मतलब उसका विथ को हम लोग 1 मीटर टू 1.2 मीटर तक हम लोग दे सकते हैं उसका विथ, और उसका स्लोप एरिया जो है वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग एज 45 डिग्री in village road. For this type of path, the recommended value of the ruling gradient is 1 in 7.5. You can see here the ruling gradient they have given as 1 in 7.5 and limiting gradient 1 in 5. So the village path is important one to connect the village as well as the important area of hilly regions, and these are usually 1 meter to 1.2 meter width, and the slope is provided at 45 degrees angle, as well as the recommended value of ruling gradient is 1 in 7.5 and limiting gradient is 1 in 5. Okay. Next one is as per the border road organization, the hill road are classified as national highway class 9, class 5 and class 3. Let us see what is national highway class 9, class 5 and class 3. National highway class 9 is the width of class 9 will be 6 meter and it can carry up to 3 tons vehicles. Okay. And in class 5 the width of the road will be 4.5 meter width and it can carry 1 ton vehicles. And class 3 will be 2.45 to 3.65 meter width and it can only carry jeep means 4-wheeler type vehicles. Okay, you can understand. Now we will see the maintenance problem in hilly road. As you can see the image of hill road, if here can be landslide caused, so the maintenance will be more expensive compared to plain road. So let us see about the maintenance problem in hilly road. The following maintenance problem in hill road are commonly arise, that is landslide or skidding of road, potholes. These are the means normal common maintenance which is caused in hilly roads. Okay. First is maintenance of drainage structure. मीन्स वी नो दैट इफ़ वी आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन हिली रोड, अगर पहाड़ी एरिया में हम रोड को कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं तो उसको वो रोड को कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हुए हमको साइड ड्रेनेज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जो हमको प्रोवाइड करना है. बिकॉज इफ़ वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग कैम्बर द वाटर ड्रेन ऑफ द वाटर विल बी ड्रेन्ड ऑफ एंड द वाटर ड्रेन्ड ऑफ द रेन वाटर विल बी ड्रेन्ड ऑफ एंड दैट ड्रेन ऑफ वाटर विल बी कैरिड आउट बाय द side drainage. So drainage structure is very important in maintenance. So maintenance of drainage structure, the catch water drain, side drain, catch pit and the culverts are often blocked and caused overflowing during rain. Hence they should be cleared periodically to prevent the overflow during rain. Yes, we know that if we are not cleaning the side drainage or culvert, that will be filled with some obstacles like dead leaves, dead plants, and that will make to overflow of water on the road. And if the water is flowing above the road, it will damage the road. So for maintenance of road, what we have to do, we have to clean the culverts or side drainage or catch water drain regular period, and that will provide the suitability and stability to the road structure. Okay, you can understand. Next one is snow clearance. As we know that in hilly regions, as we the if we go in a high altitude, there will be the temperature will be low. Okay, during winter season, the accumulation may takes place on the hill roads because of snow accumulation. Most of the hill roads at a very high altitude are closed for traffic in winter. In winter, snow clearance is done regularly with the machine. As we know that the mountain which have high altitudes, there the temperature will be low, and that will cause snowfall, and the snowfall will be on the road. So we should clear the snow for the safety movement of traffic. And if we are not clearing the snow, there will be some obstacles, and that will cause accidents too, and the traffic will be on the road. So to maintain the traffic in regular basis, we have to clean the snow, and it is done by machines. So in the time of winter season, snow clearance is very important for the safety movement of traffic and regularity of traffic. Okay, next one is control of avalanche. Sometimes a large mass of snow with ice and rock slide down from the mountain, which can damage hill road. On some section, a special structure can be gallered or constructed to reduce the impact of load or avalanche. The control of avalanche means, तो मतलब जो एवेलनेच होता है, मतलब लोड इम्पैक्ट ऑफ लोड इन ऑन द रोड, तो मीन्स कंट्रोल ऑफ एवेलनेच मीन्स क्या होता है कि मतलब ठंडी के दिन में मतलब स्नो फॉर्म होता है, और मतलब आइस एक अपर सरफेस बना लेता है रॉक के ऊपर, और जब वहाँ पे स्लाइड्स होता है, तो ये मतलब जो रॉक है वो मतलब आप लोग न्यूज़ में सुने होंगे कि मतलब ये हिमाचल में ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कि मतलब जो मलबा है मतलब घसक के रोड पे आ गया। वो किसके कारण? यही मतलब मॉइस्चर कंटेंट रहता है, और ये आइसबर्ग्स जो होता है वो मतलब एक लेयर कवर कर लेता है मतलब स्टोन्स को, और जो स्टोन्स मतलब वो रोड पे आता है तो दे डैमेज द रोड, एंड सो वी शुड कंट्रोल दैट avalanche. And if we are controlling that avalanche, the construction of road will be the maintenance cost will be less, and the impact load of that rocks will be less. Okay, you can understand. If you have any doubt, you can clear with me. Okay. Next is prevention of landslide. As I have told you in earlier videos, that landslide is downward movement or upward movement of slope. Forming material is called as landslide. Okay, you know what is landslide? The material like debris, soil or rock moving from its original position, that is or sliding from its original position in the downward direction due to gravitational force and less amount of shear strength, so that is known as landslide. Okay, landslide or slip are the most important problem in the maintenance of hilly road. We know that the landslide and the slips are very important problems. It is always caused in hilly regions because there will be moisture, or there will be water content in the soil or debris, and that will cause to downfall of the debris, and that will cause damage to the road. So landslide and slips are the very important problem in the maintenance of hilly road. Okay, ट्रैफिक मूवमेंट में बी स्टॉप ड्यू टू लैंडस्लाइड. वी नो दैट इफ लैंडस्लाइड, दैट मलबा जो होता है, अगर मतलब वो मलबा अगर गिल्ला होकर मॉइस्चर कंटेन होते हुए अगर वो मतलब रोड पे आ जाता है, तो क्या होगा कि वो ट्रैफिक को रोक देगा. ट्रैफिक मूवमेंट में बी स्टॉप ड्यू टू लैंडस्लाइड. सो स्पेशल केयर शुड बी टेकन टू प्रिवेंट लैंडस्लाइड. ओके, स्पेशल केयर शुड बी टेकन टू प्रिवेंट लैंडस्लाइड. नेक्स्ट वन इज the summary of this lecture is all about hilly roads, we know, and we have seen the maintenance problem in hill road and the types of hill road. The reference is online source SK Kannan book and Ritu publication book. Thank you for listening this lecture. If you have any doubt, you can clear it with me.